Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So this video is gonna be about me updating my subscribers that recently my channel got monetized, and just wanted to do a little intro and update so you guys can understand what I'm talking about here. Once your channel get monetized, and when you guys click on my videos, the ads will play, and that's how the YouTubers make money. But the main reason why I wanted to do the video on this topic is pretty much pretty popular, and I have put some notes over here which I'm going to jot down in this video here, and I would like to help other YouTubers out there how you guys can get monetized, and what I had done, and what is it that I had implemented in order to get monetized. Like you have seen it here, I got this channel going in 2018, and since 2018 up to now, I was working pretty much almost for free. So let me give you a little introduction here to what's going on. In 2017, late when I got this channel going, the YouTube requirements for monetization were pretty slim. You needed to have a minor watch time, just a few subscribers, and at that time that wasn't a big deal. But what has happened in 2018, all of us get an email from YouTube that if you don't have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, guess what? Your channel is gonna get demonetized. And guess what? That's when my channel got demonetized in the last 2 years. So I had to do some implementation in order to get monetized again. And that's what has happened in, what was it, middle of May. So in the middle of May 2020, finally my YouTube channel gets monetized. And from that learning experience over there, I'm gonna now show you guys in this notes here, what is it that I had done in order to get here. And let's get into it right away. So the first thing over here that I was lacking of, oh, by the way, is the reason why I opened my channel in front of over here, I'm going to be telling you the mistakes that I made. And this is not going to be like a fake 10 minutes video where they're going to be kind of rehearsing the notes that other YouTubers do. And just to make up 10 minutes video, I'm going to be showing you here in each video over here what I have screwed up, what is it that I had done wrong, all my mistakes, so you guys can learn from this specific video rather than watching all kind of unrealistic and videos that don't apply to you pretty much. So the first one over here that I would focus on, and this one here, is consistency. This is what's gonna happen there. The reason why you want to be consistent is because the more you post over here, the chances are that your channel is gonna pick up. Chances are that video will get more views, and gradually you're going to get that watch time and more subscribers. Let me just tell you what I'm talking about here. If you look over here in last week, so the last week goes from here to here. I put about 5 videos here, but guess what? They didn't get many views here because I just uploaded them, and my subscriber list is pretty low. But guess what? Let's put it this way. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that I put this week. Imagine if I only updated once or twice, and I still got this many little bit views. It would be disaster, one of a kind. You will never really get there. So keep that in mind. That's the main problem that I would focus on. Look that you can post as many as possible and stay consistent. So consistency is the right word. So let's go to the second one over here, which I really would focus on. Will be make the longer videos. So the longer the videos are, the chances are that you're gonna get more views, and the longer people are gonna watch. The reality is that you're gonna get the videos, that you're gonna get more watch time. That's the truth. If you look all the YouTubers that are doing this full time, they all have 10 minutes videos. Now, speaking quite honestly, I wouldn't recommend the first time that you do 10-minute videos. But what I would recommend is that you, for example, start doing 7-minute videos, 6-minute videos. So kind of like get there in that number. And that is the major thing, how you're going to rack up your watch time. So the longer videos are the way to go. Let's focus on the number 3. So see, I have him here spelled out, and then I want to share my secrets with you. The third one will be research. Okay, when I got my YouTube channel going here, like this one over here, for example, it only has 1 view, but that's not right, because the YouTube doesn't include the views from today. So what I'm trying to say about research is that before, when I was uploading the videos, I didn't even do any research about it, and that was the major problem that I kept creating. What I had done in the past, in the very recent times, that I would research if there is any subject, if there is any interest on that subject, and then you can start, working on that video rather than just making the videos and bringing that energy. Whereas if you do a little bit more research, you could focus on a specific video that people will want to watch, and that's really something that you want to focus on. Another one, when it comes to research, you want to research when you create your video, that you want to also put a proper thumbnail. See here, I have a thumbnail for EPC and for all my rest of my cycling videos. You want to put a proper thumbnail which will catch the audience, the attention of audience, and then what would happen? Chances are higher that they may click on that video. For example, I have a video here how you repack the pedals, and I put like a pedal there, and people may want to click on it, and guess what? There's already 23 views over here. So guess what? The research on the video would be the main focus on that I would focus on, as well as the proper thumbnail. You want to have a proper thumbnail which would attract that attention from the audience. So keep that in mind. Now, another one over here that I totally missed on this one, and this is huge embarrassment, will be the keywords. What I mean by keywords, when I was doing my videos, I wasn't optimizing them. So what that kept doing, my audience or the people that I made a video for, they couldn't find my videos. So I wouldn't put any keywords in there. I would just put a title there, and I wouldn't put anything in description. That caused the major issues, about my videos, because the views didn't pick up. So when the views don't pick up, the videos don't do well, and those are the main problems, that I kept creating, and I wanted to share with you that the keywords are definitely something, that you want to focus on, and that's something that you want to make sure that every video down there is properly optimized for research, nicely optimized, so that people can find what is it that you want to show them. That's the main thing. Another thing over here I'm going to show you, while I kept racking up the videos and I kept filming, I had a lot of videos here that didn't do too well. But guess what? I could have gone back and edit the thumbnail. I could go back and edit the description, which would get that video going again, giving it a second chance. So many of my videos, for example, here's the one, BMW air cabin filter after 4,000 kilometers, 40,000 kilometers. If you look over here, only 9 views. The problem with this video over here, chances are that I may go back in there, and I'm just showing some of them that I need to work on, and edit the thumbnail, possibly edit my description, and see what really has gone wrong there and why the views are not picking up. And now we're gonna get to the very last and very important one: encourage. So these are my chicken notes over here that I jot for you guys, and this is the word that's called encourage. What I would recommend when I would be at the end of the videos, I would thank everybody for watching, which was quite nice of me. But the truth is, you once you are done with the video, and once you want to wrap up at the end of the video, you want to get your audience and tell them that you do the videos on that subject and encourage them to watch your videos rather than just thanking them and expecting that everybody will watch your videos, which in the beginning most likely won't happen. So these are the 6 or 7 key tips that I would recommend that you want to do if you want to get monetized and get quickly to that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.